Landbot Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Landbot Chatbot Review. In this video, we'll explore Landbot's features, who it's designed for, and how it can transform customer interactions. For more details or to try Landbot for yourself, check the links in the description. Landbot is a no-code chatbot builder that enables businesses to create highly customizable conversational experiences across websites, WhatsApp, and Messenger. It's designed for marketers, customer support teams, and businesses that want to leverage the power of chatbots without needing technical expertise. What sets Landbot apart is its drag-and-drop interface, which makes building chatbots incredibly straightforward. You can craft personalized conversation flows in minutes, incorporating various elements like multiple-choice questions, conditional logic, or even API integrations for advanced functionality. This flexibility allows businesses to design bots that are tailored to their specific goals, whether it's lead generation, customer support, or user engagement. Landbot excels in multi-channel deployment. Beyond websites, it integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, and even email, ensuring your chatbot reaches users wherever they are. Its conversational design ensures chats feel natural and engaging, which helps reduce bounce rates and increase conversion rates. One standout feature is Landbot's data collection capabilities. It enables businesses to gather structured information from users effortlessly, making it ideal for surveys, feedback forms, or lead qualification. For more advanced needs, it integrates with tools like Zapier, HubSpot, and Google Sheets, allowing you to sync data in real time across your ecosystem. Landbot also supports AI and NLP features, letting users incorporate sentiment analysis and smart responses into their bot workflows. These capabilities make it a versatile tool for scaling up customer interactions without compromising on quality. Plus, with its analytics dashboard, you can track performance metrics like response rates and user behavior to optimize your chatbot over time. Whether you're a startup looking for a cost-effective solution or an established business wanting to enhance user engagement, Landbot offers scalability and ease of use. Explore the links in the description to see if Landbot is right for your business. Thanks for watching.